Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're building a working calculator app in Java, right from scratch.
We're going to go from a totally blank screen to a working program, explaining all the code along the way.
All right, first things first. We need to set up our development environment. Think of it as our digital workshop. That means installing a JDK, the Java Development Kit, and picking an IDE like NetBeans to get started.
Okay, now for the fun part, designing the user interface. This is what you're actually going to see and click. We start with a main panel. You can think of this as the foundation for everything else. Next, we'll pop a text field right at the top. This is going to be our calculator's little screen.
And last, we'll place all our number and operator buttons. And just like that, the visual part is done.
The design looks good, but it doesn't do anything yet. Time to get our hands dirty with some code. This is called event handling. Basically, our code is just listening for you to click a button.
So let's peek at the code for the number 7 button. It's actually super simple.
This code just grabs whatever's on screen and adds the new number right next to it. That's it.
All right, on to the brains of the whole thing, the calculation logic. How does it actually do the math?
Well, the app uses variables. These are just little boxes to remember the numbers and the chosen operation. So when you hit the plus button, the code stores the word plus. It's a little note for later. The equals button is the grand finale. It kicks off a simple 4-step process to get our answer.
It uses a simple if statement. If that stored operator was plus, then it just adds the two numbers.
And it's the exact same logic for everything else. It just checks for multiplication, division, and so on.
And the clear button? It's the easiest one of all. Its code just sets the display back to blank.
And just like that, we've gone from a bit of code to a full calculator. Let's do a quick recap.
So, what were the key programming concepts that really made all this work? Let's break it down.
We used variables to store data, event handling to make our buttons clickable, and conditional logic to do the math. But a simple calculator is really just the beginning. Now that you've seen the building blocks, what will you build next?